Hello everyone, today we're making beef and potato stew. It's easy to prepare and absolutely delicious. The beef becomes tender and deeply flavorful, while potatoes soak up all that rich savory broth, making them just as delicious. It's perfect with rice and warm crusty bread. Let's start with the beef. Today I'm using a chunk roast, but you can also use other cuts like brisket, short ribs, or stew meat. Cut the beef into slightly large chunks, a bit bigger than potatoes, because beef will naturally shrink a little bit as it cooks. Then prepare a pot of cold water, add the beef along with some ginger, green onions, and a splash of Shaoxing wine. Bring it slowly to a boil. As the water comes up to a boil, you'll notice foam and impurities appearing on the surface. Simply skim them off and take the beef out. Rinse the beef carefully with warm water, never cold water, because cold water can cause the meat to tighten and affect the final texture. After rinsing, transfer the beef to a colander and let it drain well. With the beef prepared, let's move on to the vegetables and aromatics. Here I'm using 2 peeled potatoes. Cut them in half, then place the flattened side down. Slice through the center and divide into chunks. Place the potatoes in water to prevent turning brown. Then cut a small carrot into pieces roughly the same size as the potatoes. Chop 2 small shallots into small pieces. For the green onions, cut them into 1-inch pieces. Separate the white and green parts. Then slice the ginger along with a few whole black peppers. These are the aromatics for the beef. Now that everything is ready, let's sear the beef. Heat the wok, then add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the beef and spread it out evenly. Leave the beef untouched for the first few seconds. Once the bottom turns golden brown, start stirring to brown the other side. Then we add the aromatics and stir fry briefly till fragrant. Then add a splash of Shaoxing wine and let it cook off. Then add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, and the preserved plums. Stir to release the aroma and build the flavor. Pour in hot water, just enough to cover the beef. Bring everything to a boil over high heat, then reduce the heat to low and cover. Let it simmer for about 1.5 hours. During this time, check it once or twice to make sure there's enough liquid. Add a little bit more water if needed. After beef has become tender, add the potatoes and carrots. Give everything a good stir. Adjust the heat to medium and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Season with a little bit of salt during this time. If you prefer a slightly thicker sauce, you can increase the heat briefly at the end. Finally, add the green onions, and the stew is ready to serve. This beef and potato stew is simple and comforting. The beef is tender, the potatoes have absorbed all that delicious flavor. It's well balanced and perfect with rice. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys in the next one.